The Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro is here to redefine what a mid-range smartphone can do, combining power, style, and innovation in one sleek package. From its design to performance, every detail of this device screams premium. The phone features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, giving you an ultra-clear and fluid visual experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling through your socials, everything feels alive and immersive. Under the hood, the Galaxy A57 Pro is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, built for speed and efficiency. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, multitasking becomes effortless. No lag, no slowdown, just pure performance. The device also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds for streaming, gaming, or video calls on the go. The camera setup is another major highlight. On the back, it packs a 108 megapixels main sensor, supported by an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 5 megapixels depth sensor, delivering detailed and vibrant shots in any lighting condition. The 32 megapixels front camera captures sharp and bright selfies, making your photos and videos pop with clarity. Whether it's day or night, Samsung's advanced AI processing ensures that every image comes out perfect. Battery life won't disappoint either. The 5000 mAh powerhouse easily lasts all day, and with 45W super fast charging, you can get hours of use in just minutes of charge. Plus, it runs on One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, offering smooth navigation, smart customization, and improved security features. In short, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro is not just another phone, it's a complete experience.